Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my April Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a subscription box. There are different boxes. I just get the regular one. It's about $32 a month. You get a discount if you do 6 months or a year. I've been doing it for years and generally I am very happy with what I get in my box. They are all full-sized items of either makeup, skincare, tools, and best of all, they have what's called the drop shop, which is deeply discounted makeup, skincare tools that you can get every month. So today I have 5 full-sized items. I have 2 add-ons. I'm going to put them on my face. Let's get into it. Boxycharm does let you choose 3 of the 5 items, so I know what I picked. I tried to take a screenshot so that I remember what they sent me and what I chose and what the add-ons were. The first item in my box is this product from Dew of the Gods. This is the Fila Nitro Caffeine and Retinol Under Eye Pads. There are 10 sets of eye patches in here. This retails for $20. It says online, skip the filler and grab Fila Nitro instead. These caffeine and retinol infused under eye pads help tighten, brighten, and depuff in just 15 minutes, giving you that wide awake iced coffee energy. With a no slip formula that stays put, they're perfect for powering through your day feeling radiant. Here's the thing. In the past, I have gotten under eye patches from different brands and tried to have them on while filming, and it has been a disaster. These eye patches will slide down my face. I feel like speaking and moving around are going to move this type of product. So a half an hour ago, I pulled these out of my box and I put them on. I do have some video footage of me using them because I just wanted to avoid them sliding down my face as I was doing this video. And I must say, wow, Dew of the Gods. You'll see in my video that the way these patches are, they didn't lie. They seriously do not move. They went on so easy. They gave me a cooling effect to my eyes. I left them on for 15 minutes. When I took them off, they were not super gooey. It was just a hair tacky. I pressed it in under my eyes and it looks really nice. So I do really like this product. I normally use a reusable eye patch, but this might be nice for travel. I also wanted to point out that I continued on with my makeup. I have my primer and foundation and corrector and concealer and just a little bit of powder on, and everything went on well. I did skip my Aquaphor that I normally put on just to see how this would do, and my under eyes look good. I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box if you're curious what I'm wearing. The next item in my box is this one from What's Up Beauty. This is the Rose Hippity Matte Liquid Blush, retails for $25. I have mine in the shade Heirloom. Get ready to glow with this stunning blush that blends effortlessly for a smooth matte finish. With a sponge applicator for flawless application, the liquid formula is packed with skin-loving ingredients like rosehip oil, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid to help hydrate and brighten. Pretty packaging. So this comes off. There's a little plastic covering, and then it's got a sponge tip applicator. Let's go ahead and do the twist, see if there's directions. So there is an on-off, which is good. I think you just squeeze. Oh, there we go. I forgot to tell you, I do have cream bronzer on. I finally found a deep enough cream bronzer because I have my tan is making all of my lighter shades of bronzer not show up. So I have the deeper cream bronzer from Makeup Revolution on. Finally, one that shows. So I'm going to put this blush on. Ooh, a lot came out on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna click it to lock it so that it's not so messy. Then I'll use my new Sigma F47. And just tap it on there and just tap this in. I don't smell anything. That's very pretty. I love a matte blush. Yes, very nice. The next item is a highlighter from the brand Farah. This is the shade Zara, which is Champagne. This soft focus highlighter delivers a radiant, lit from within finish that feels like your own personal spotlight. It's your ticket to effortless luminosity, no filter needed. Retails for $22. I must say I'm not a big highlight person these days. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That looks pretty. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's very bright, so I will be careful. I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the A11, and I'm going to tap very lightly and just tap it on the tops of my cheekbones here. Okay, that's not showing up. Let's do a little bit more. Ooh, there it is. Do it on both sides. Wiping off the brush on my switch. Just doing a little blend. We take that F47 and just go over that. So we want the highlight to blend with the blush. Maybe I'd use it on my eyes. I'm not sure how much I'd use this on my cheeks. The next product is a lip product. This is the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. Retails for $28. Lightweight feel, check. Vibrant color, check. This smooth and creamy formula guides effortlessly onto your lips, coating them in pigmented color that lasts all day. Plus, the doe foot applicator makes it easy to customize the coverage from a diffused effect to a bold statement. They sent me the shade Lose Control. Feels a little on the dry side, but moussey. I put it on without lip liner, but most likely I'll add lip liner afterwards. Wow, that is pretty. A little bit went a long way. It feels very lightweight. We'll see how it feels when it dries. I brought in my Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner in Nude. Let me just add that. I'm curious how much this transfers, but I'm gonna leave it alone for a few minutes and then we'll blot it and see how it does. And the last product that I got in my box before my two add-ons is this right here. And this is a palette from Natasha Denona. Let me open it up. This is the Hot Topic palette. Retails for $20. Ready to steal the spotlight. This travel-friendly palette features 5 iconic shades from Natasha Denona's best-selling Glam eyeshadow palette. In her signature creamy matte and metallic formulas, this palette is your go-to for effortlessly transitioning from a soft daytime look to bold evening glam. These are bigger than her regular small size palettes. I have a little collection going of these. I love that Ipsy collabs with her to get these palettes because this is beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. I do own the Glam eyeshadow palette. It is a beautiful palette. Here are the first 3 shades. Ooh, so pretty. And then here are the last 2 shades. So you've got 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. To apply this eyeshadow, I'm going to show you my first add-on, and it is a brush set from Morphe that is upside down. This is I got this 4-piece eye brush collection, and I will try to locate it to see what the retail price was, but I paid $3.50 for this. I'm hoping it's good. I remember I had Morphe brushes in the past that I did not enjoy, and then I had heard so many good things about this Ariel collection that I bought it, I think last year for myself for Christmas, and love it. So I'm hoping that these are good quality brushes. Here they are. We've got a small fluffy, a flat, an angled, and then a larger fluffy brush. They are not numbered, so I'll just do an easy eye look with this. And I'm gonna start with the smaller fluffy brush. I'll take this sort of medium brown shade and just go into the crease with it. I'm going light-handed because I didn't know how pigmented it is. Now I'm building up. This brush does not feel nice. It feels scratchy. And I have fallout. This one's not good. I'll take this Beauty for Real contour, which I did get in a Boxycharm. And this is a nice brush set. Let me go ahead and continue with this. Oh, so much softer. I'll try this fluffier one that's in the set with this lighter shade. Just see if I can go over the edge to blend. Okay, this one feels a little bit better. It is not as scratchy as that first one. Not all brushes are created equal. You should not feel a scratchy sensation on your eyelid. And you'll notice I have no fallout on this side, fallout on this side. Next, I'm going to go into this champagne. So I think that will look the nicest with this warm toned lip. Pretty. Take this flatter Morphe brush into that champagne and just bring it up a little bit. This one doesn't feel terrible. Maybe I'll take just a little bit of this deepest one and put it right on my outer corner. Clean finger to blend. I'll take this darkest shimmer again on that flat Morphe brush. Spray with a little bit of my Essence setting spray and just go underneath. I like this. It's a nice travel version of the Glam palette. The next add-on that I got is an eyeliner from Rare Beauty. This is the Perfect Strokes Longwear Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. I got mine in the shade True Black. This retails for $20 online. I got it for $12. Thought it would be a good opportunity to try. Here it is. It is a twist up, which is nice. I do like a twist up for my eyes. I'll do my upper waterline a little bit on the outer edge, maybe even wing it a bit. That's nice. It's inky, maybe not quite as black as my Revant that I love so much. Very easy to apply. I'll let you know if it moves. I'm back. I went ahead and added some of my Big by Definition mascara. I just got this in my latest Sephora haul. Love this mascara. And the last add-on that I got in my box is this palette from Natasha Denona. This is the Mini Bronze. I'm not sure what's going on, but it appears that the bronze palette is no longer available. Not sure, have it, love it. So I thought this would be a great thing to grab. These retail for, I believe, $27. This I got in the add-ons for $12. It is beautiful. It is the bronze palette colors. Let me just go ahead and swatch them. Here are the first 4. And then this last one is the darkest. So this one has a little bit more of a red. This is more brown. It's gorgeous, and I'm happy I got it for $12. And just to show you the comparison, so this is the one that we got in the palette, and these are the ones that they sell on Sephora or on Natasha's website. I don't think she has any this size on her site. I'll take this little brush from the Morphe set. I'm wiping it off my switch. I'm wiping it off on my switch. I'm going to take a little bit of this highlight, and it's nice that there's a mirror. Is there a plastic coating on it? 'Cause there is. It's a good mirror. Tapping off the excess, and let's use this highlight in the inner corner. I love a good bright inner corner. Not bad. I added the retail value of the 5 items that Boxycharm sent me, and they come up to $115. That's kind of low. I think my screenshot tells me something different, unless I made a mistake, because on my phone screenshot, it says worth $174. Not a big deal. Am I happy with the box? I am. Did I get my $32 worth? I believe I did. I hope that you found this enjoyable. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you get Boxycharm? Did you get something different? Are you happy with it? I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. What was on my face, what I put on my face. They are affiliate links, so if you shop through those links, I get a small commission, and I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I appreciate you spending some time with me today. I will see you in the next one.